Welcome everyone. This is your boy Mr. Bennett here with another video in the series. Crazy number of videos coming, alright? And I have to say, if you want to learn forward, stay up on the channel, subscribe, and like, and all of that. You know what to do. So do only know what to do, right? I do my job, which is to provide you guys with the solutions, well explained and all that, alright? So number one said 0.45 may be written as 9/20, 4/5, 9/10. All right, them always give you a nice equal one to start. So 45 over 0.45 can be the same thing as 45 over 100. Right? And then now we divide both sides. Both sides, divide both of them by 5. So that's 9/20. Alright. Let's move on to number 2. The number 3.14063 written correct to 3 decimal places is, so first we go to the, how many said 3? So first we have to go to the 4th number. If it's 3 decimal places they want, you have to go to the 4th number after the decimal point. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 we are free. Alright, if it's 5 or greater, we add 1. We're going to add 1 to the 0 and we get. So that one would be the number 3076 written in standard form is, now standard form must be between 0 and 10, right? So you can have 1 point something, 2 point something, 3 point something, 4 point something, 5 point something, 6 point something, 7 point something, 8 point something, 9 point something, right? It has to be a single digit. So basically, all whole numbers, the decimal point is right here. See, notice I have one thing, we have not made them for small right in there, right? So the decimal point is right here. So what we have to do is move the number of decimal places now to get it to the single digit. So 1, 2, 3. So we move 3 places. 3 places we move. Alright. So it's 3.076 times 10 to the 3. Alright, so now we need to determine if it's positive or negative. Now, the value of this, why this come like say? The value of this must equal to this when we multiply. When we get the product, this must equal to this. So if we are multiplying by a positive number, 10, positive 100 or 1000, we move to the decimal place to our right. So it will be positive. So our answer would be, let's move on to number 4. Alright, number 4 refers to the following diagram. The fraction circle, the fraction of the circle which has been shaded is, oh, the one is shaded part. So we have to MEDZ it, right? So we know that the entire circle measures 360 degrees. So we don't want the reflex part. So we are going minus 285 from that, right? Alright, 5 from 10. Alright, so that's lead 5. 7. Alright, so it's 75. So that portion is 75 out of 360. Alright, so we can find a number now to break it down, because see it's 75 or 360 now. So we have to go break it down. Now 15, we can use 15, right? 15 into this, 15 and 15, 5 times, and 15 into 360, 24. So the shaded portion would be 5 over 20. So that's number 4, right? Let's move on to number 5. The exact value of 0, we didn't have to work it out, guys. So when you multiply 0.1 times 0.1, we'll get more, we'll get this. Should be this. And then when we divide it by 2 now, we'll get 2,000. Common sense that. But you guys can work it out. It's supposed to have 4 decimal places, right? When you square it, because it's a 2, so when you square it, it's supposed to have 4 decimal places. Common sense, alright? Number 6 now. In a school, the ratio of the number of pupils to the number of teachers is 20 to 1. If the number of pupils is 840, how many teachers are there? So I could just write what I'm giving. So we have 20 to 1. So what this means, for every 20 students, there is 1 teacher. So if you have 840, all right, put it away. Each teacher have 20 students. That's one way you can look at it. So we divide this by 20, and that will be our answer, right? So type 42, you know, work it out still. 20 into 80 goes 4 times, and the 40, and then 2. So that's 40. As I was saying, look like 40. All right. P is equal to 52, 77, 91, 124, and 217. 3 members of the set P of a common factor, which is, we get to them and say, what are these numbers? 3 of them as a factor, and we must find out which number. All right, so 4 can go into 52, can go into 77. All right, to eliminate 4, we could try 7 now. 7 can go into this. 7 can go into this. 7 can go into 91. Yeah. So 7. Wait, let me check it first. 7 can go into 124. Yeah. That's a 1 time. Yeah, so. And it will left 5 and 7. Oh, yeah, man. Can't go in at this. But can go 3 times and 1. So 7. The 7 going to 3 numbers. It's going to go into 77, 91, and 270. What I did, guys, I just basically tried them as I go along. Next, I would have tried 13 and then 31, but fortunately, we don't need to. So 7 is the answer for that one. All right. In the figure above, is map onto that. Which type of transformation has taken place? So we just we now have to just define the transformation. All right. So from P to this, obviously we can see it's a rotation, right? So that's a rotation. Can be a reflection, can be a shear, can be a translation. With translation, it don't change. Shear, that is a part of the syllabus. All right, 301 can be written as like 8 million. 10, 10, 100, 3 times. No. Yeah, man. Alright, so let's see which one give the value. Alright, number 10, if P is equal to 3 bracket A minus 2, then 6A is equal to, hey, this trick one time already, you know, remember that question already. Yo! It's then 6A is equal to. Alright, so I could just find A first, A, 3A, I could work out 3A. I remember I was doing this on another paper and I was saying something wrong with that question here. So it's A minus 2. Right? So we have to solve the 3A first. So it's 3A minus 3. It's a 3Q. So we have say P plus 3Q. That will be 3A, right? But with 6A double 3A. So it would be this. A. Hope you guys get the understanding. I almost thought it was a crazy question one at a time. I wrote it on another paper. Alright, number 11. Which of the following set is equivalent to A, B, C, D? Alright, so this would be C. Both of them have 4 elements. Somebody said, me not a chat from the video there. Guys, I have a chat, alright? Take it easy if you sit down and do 60 questions so by yourself and have a little vibe for yourself. Trust me. When you guys just say, let's go on YouTube and click and say, oh, I eat that, I don't know. You even like, you even care. But at the end of the day, guys, it's a lot of work, alright? So I have to talk. If Q is equal to A, B, C, D, how many subsets can be obtained from set Q? Alright, so that will be 2 raised to the number of elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 2 to the 5th is equal to. Alright, this one. We should go up 30. Alright, 13 refers to the diagram. Let's say, so the number of students in each set is indicated. How many students do not play volleyball? I have to go back up now. That's what I wanted to see. How many students did not play volleyball? So volleyball is represented by what? These 2 here means they play volleyball or hockey, right? And this volleyball only. So they ask us for not. So it would be out of circle. Out, right? So it would be into this tree right here. Right? So this could be 3 nerds who not play no game at all. It will be 3 plus 5 and that's 8. Our answer for that. Let's move on to 14. Item 14 refers to the following diagram. 2 circles above represent set P and set Q. If P is equal to factors of 6 and 2 is equal to factors of 4, then the shaded region represents. Alright, so let's see factors. Factors are numbers like we can go in it. So 6 will be 1, 2, 3, and 6. After that, 2, 4. Now 4, come on. 1 and 2 are the. Alright, yeah. 1 and 2 is in both, so 1 and 2 would be our answer. Alright, let's move on to 15 rather. A woman buys a pair of shoes at a sale. She pays $45, saving $15 on the normal price. percentage discount of the pair of shoes is, so the original price was $60. So they take off 25%. Right? So that's how we got the $50. 25% of $60 is $15. All right. Tom bought a pen for $60 only to gain 20% on his cost price. How much money did he gain? Notice they say gain. If my father them say gain, I don't have to read nothing more. It has to be 12, right? That's 20% is the same as dividing by 5, so that's $12. All right, I think he sold it for $72. But the gain, see, they can be very smart at times. Gain, they only ask for the gain. Let's move on to 17. As you can see, it's a 2004 paper. Here doesn't matter, the questions repeat. All right. 17. During a sale, a shop allowed 20% discount off the marked price of clothing. What will the customer pay for a dress which is marked price of $30? So as I was saying, 20% is the same as dividing by 5. So 30 divided by 5, so equal to 6. And the discount now is $6, so it will be 30 minus 6 is equal to $24. So let's see if $24 is here is a very nice paper. A customer buys a table on hire purchase. He makes a deposit of $306 and pays 6 monthly installment of $60 each. Total cost to the customer is, so the deposit are the money where you trust with first. So you carry first when you go down a quote. So you carry that first. But then you have to pay a monthly installment 6 months. So you're going to be paying 6 months and you're going to be paying a flat rate of $60. So it would be 60 times 6. 0, 6, 36. So we just add 36. About 36, 360. Alright. 6, 6. No man, what kind of devil something this? What kind of devil? Anyway, the answer is C. What kind of style that? Much number in your world? I don't think you do. Number 18. A dinner in a hotel was advertised at $60 plus $18 tax. Total bill for the dinner was, right? So guys, as I say, it's gonna be increased, right, by 18%. So our original, we have 100%. Then we're gonna increase it to the tax. So all 8, it's 18% increase. So it would be 118 divided by 100 times 6. Work out this also, okay, kind of grinding. Okay, alright, we could just go with 2. Alright, so these are 3. And these are 5. So C-set can be stressful sometimes. 3 8 24. So that's 3 1s 3 and that 5. Remember we're not allowed calculators, right? And 3. So 3 is 24, 3 1s 3 and that 5, and then 3. And now we divide by 5. So that will give us 7, 7, 5, 35. Then 0. Carry down the 0 to make 40. So that's 584. So it's $70.80. This can be a little bit stressful, not like. But you guys gonna have stuff for work, it's just that I don't want to brag out nothing. Alright, the simple interest on $400 at 5% per annum for 2 years is given by simple interest. So simple interest is P times T times R, and the R come 100 come from the rate, right? So basically we also look you want 100 there. Move this one. I have to go down further. Principal of 400 and that blah 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 blah. 21, let's go. Hit the like button if you have not hit the like button as yet, guys. Hit the like button. If the simple interest on $800 for 3 years is $54, what is this rate of interest? Alright, so as we just write the formula up there, simple interest. So the simple interest they give us that. So we have to know when we get the simple interest, so we do, right? Principal of 800. That's the amount of money borrowed, and we take 3 years, but we don't know the time, right? And then we'll put that over 100. Alright, so we're going to transpose now. We're going to over the 800, the 3, and the 100. So what? We have to take the inverse too. So the inverse and multiply. And then now, 2 here. So, or you can multiply, so then we're going to become divide. And then we can work it out. It looks simple. Let's make one step. So, bam, bam. 3 can go into 54. I'm going to check 23, 1. Yeah. 23, 1. Into these stores. 1 time. I mean that 2. And then 3, 8. 24. So that's 15 over 8. That's 8 to 16. So that's a 2 and a quarter. Alright, so 8 into that goes 2 times. I mean that 2 over 8. 2 over 8 is the same thing as a quarter when you break it down. So the answer would be. You know the sharp spelling, guys. Now have to learn to calculate fast, alright? See, so now I'm putting in a plot of land is valued at $18,000. Land tax is charged at the rate of 70 cents per 1,000 value. What is the total amount of tax paid for the land? Alright, so look at the information carefully. Two ways you can do it. You can either put this and divide this by 100 and then times it by this, which is all that's in my eyes. Or we can just simply find out how many $100 in a 18,000. So we divide. That's my way. If you guys have a better way, just leave it in the comment section. Same result, alright? To me, I find this easier. You just divide by 100 and then times by 70. So it'll be 180 times 70. But we must have 70 cents, right? Yeah. 78.56. So this. Once you see the 6, guys, you know, see that. Alright. So number 23. Where you gone? We're at 23. Where you gone so far? I sure don't want to go. Don't go away, guys. We'll be right back. Alright, 23. The expression y is equal to the square of x can be written as y is equal to the square. Oh, the square. So that is a, you can say, square root, square, right? Square. If it was square root, it would have been this. Alright. Read the questions very carefully now, guys. The expression -2 bam 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 is the same as So we're just expanding. Love them kind of easy question. Yeah? Minus 2x. A negative times a negative give you a positive. So that's positive 8. So see that option. Oh yeah, yeah. So it's D. Number 5, 25 rather. When 7 is added to 3 times a certain number, so n, the result is 22. 3n plus 7 equals 22. So our answer would be, which is straightforward. I love this. I love this. They didn't go around. Alright, so let's move on to 26, I think. Yeah. John had X marbles and Max had twice as many marks. Twice as many. Max gives Tom 5 of his marbles. How many marbles did Max have? I'll read that again. John had X marbles and Max had twice. Okay, so Max have twice. Alright, because John has X. So John represent X represent John and Max have 2x. Alright. So now let's see what happens after that. So Max have twice, so that will be 2x. And then they say Max gives Tom 5. Oh, so you give 5, so you have to minus 5 for Max. So you have to be very careful. So maybe guys break it down because we're not smart like that. You have to do it, wrote it. Don't bother freestyle, alright? Just write down the information. When you have the information in front of you, it's much easier. Given that P asterisk Q means 2Q minus P, the value of 1 asterisk 2 is, so we're just going to substitute the value. So P are 1 and Q are 2. Alright. So P equal that. So C6 mark now, them say 2Q. So that will be 2Q minus. Now 2Q will be 2 times 2. Because Q are 2. Now minus 1 coming. So 2 2 is 4. 4 minus 1, that is 3. So our answer for that one is 3. But they're very smart, them turn around the letters because sometimes students do not look. They will think say 1, 2 ones 2 minus that. That's easier than this. Alright, the expression 2a cubed is the same as, so that means 2a times itself 3 times. Right? A number raised to a power means the number multiplied by itself times. So we get 8. 8 times 8 times 8 is 8 to the 3. Remember, we're just adding the powers, the base is the same. If 5 bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 35, then x is equal to, based on the options, it has to be 4. Alright. 2 4 is 8, minus 1, that's 7, 5, 7, 35. Guys, you have to know the make style. I'm Mr. Benny. Join the class, teaching everything, alright? The sum of x and y is 18 and the difference is 14. Which pair of something described the above statement? So x plus y 18, x minus y 14. So x plus y here we go. X plus y is equal to 18, x minus y 14. We are reaching the midway point. Let's go, let's go. Somebody's letting me know if you scream. If 15 square is equal to 225, then the square root of 0.0025, let me see, square root, I want to have a tricky here. What's a square? I like that question. 0.15. Yeah, which number multiply by itself? 4 decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have to be this. Alright, so that will be 0.15. I like it though. I like it. Absolutely awesome. I think it's the first I've seen a question like that. Alright, 32. Which of the following diagrams illustrate a function? Oh, what we're looking for is that one of this. I think this would be the x2, guys. You know, C6 mod sometimes and then turn it around. You see them turn it around. Yeah, move for here, so see already. So this is another function because more than one x I got to more than one y, right? So this I got to can go to bam. No, this can't work either. This was a can't work. Not if you have to see D, it have to be D. To see if it works. Alright. Bam. Alright. And that's the definition of a function 1x to 1y. So I was teaching this topic today, you know. Alright, 33. A function f is defined as 3x minus 1. The value of f, negative 3. So right now, we just write about this. No longer chatting. Big up everybody from the Caribbean. Yeah. All over. Get global, you know, guys. So everybody big up. Alright. So we'll substitute negative 3 the equation. So that's negative 9 minus 1, which gives us negative 2. Alright. So that will be 34. So as I say, given f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x, or same thing, right? Alright, so this time is negative 1 squared minus 3 minus 1 plus 1. So 1 squared will give us positive 1. Negative times a negative will give us positive 3. And then we might order plus 1. Here this is a plus right here. So that gives us 5. Awesome question. Awesome. If you don't know the sign, it's gonna mess you up. Guys, you have to know it. Which of the following represent the equation of a straight line? Every straight line is in the form y equal mx plus c. So that is B. Alright, so let's move on from 35. Going on fine, we going on fine, we going on fine. Alright, so 36 now, some graphs up. So from the graph above, the value of x when y equal negative 1 or alright, so when y are negative 1, so first we find negative 1. Alright, so the line here, put a different color. Why would that be negative on the line? I put it in red. So we're actually searching for this point here. Alright, so pass 2. First of all, I'm see how much I did make 1. Look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them, right? So you don't reach a half. Don't reach a 3. Let's see the option there. Don't reach 0.5. Don't reach a half. Right? So that would be alright. We'll go back and see the next question. So that's 36. There's 20 something more to go, guys. Let's go. 37 refers to the diagram. The diagram above shows a graph if a, b, and c are constant and a greater than 0. The equation of the graph could be, alright, I could eliminate some of them. Couldn't be this. Once a graph turns so couldn't be this neither. Right? Once a graph turns like this is a minimum. They mirror maximum, so we can eliminate them. And then now it's ax here, so c. it is C. Now gonna be square. Alright, guys, we're going on 37. Move on to 38. The distance around the edge of a circular pond is 88 meter. The radius is meters. Alright, so them no want to work out pi, right? Change back this to black. Change it. So basically it's a circular, so that means and it's a distance, so that means circumference, right? So that's 2 pi r, and then don't want to work out the pi. As the other answer them have pi. So this work out to 88. And then now we have 2 pi r. But them ask to make r is subject of the formula. So now we divide by 2 pi to get rid of this. So I think that's the answer. We do to one side, to both sides. So therefore, 2. Alright. Guys, a lot of people say I should just click on answer. It's already in work, so alright. I have to explain it. So you can click through the video if you don't want explanation. 39 refers to the following diagram. The area in centimeters square of the trapezium above, not drawn to scale, is pause this now, right? Hello? 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 Oh, I think there's an error there. I think that's an error, guys. I'm correct with the error. Alright, so the area in centimeter square of the trapezium is not drawn to scale. Alright, look guys. So this is your height. Them could have put in this a small slant side, but you couldn't even but no. Them say no. I'm gonna make it be a fair exam, right? So it's A, calculate with this as A and this side B. So it's A plus B divided by 2 and times the height, right? I'm going to say the 2 come from the triangle part, right? That's the part here. Why don't tell me how to do it? They come from that part. It's like a square, not square, the rectangle and a right angle triangle. You guys notice that, right? So that's a 7 3 is 21 also. And this will be 4 by 3. Could do it that way. But some people go like say, no what. 7 this side will be 7 also, right? So this portion will be 7 times 3 is equal to 21 centimeters. Wow. And then we have half the base times the height. So if here's all of this are 11 and this are 7. The most 4 here, so and the height will be 3. So we divide this. So 3 and 4, 12, and we divide it by 2, we get 6 or 27. We could do it the hard way. I want to do it in the primary way. So 7 plus 11, that's 18. So you have 7 plus 11 times by 3. So work out the bracket first. 7 plus 11, 18, 18 by 2, 9 times 3. Whichever way you work it out is the same thing. Alright, so let's move on to 40. We have 2/3 there. You're gonna get a 1 stop for yourself. You're gonna get a 1. You're gonna get a 1. Alright, so 40 refer to the following diagram. Alright, this is our 40, this is our 5, this is our 4. So we're gonna say type of shape is. The figure above not drawn to scale consists of a triangle resting on a square. Okay, so it's a square. So all right, a 5. All right, is a 5 also. A square as all 5, 4 sides equal. The height of the triangle is 4. What is the total area of the figure? Alright. So So this would gives us very easy. The triangle would be 5 times 4, so that's 20. And this would give us 25. That should be 45. If we were to split this, guys, this would be what? 2.5. No, 10, you know. This is not about 20. I have to find half of it. So it's actually 35. That's what 2.5 by 4. 4 times that are 8. No. So I give it 2. So this will go to 5. So our answer would be 35. Big top mathematician and make them error there. Where are you going with this today? Oh, you are going with, so it's 35, right? The area of the rectangle, the area of a rectangle is 53. That if the length is multiplied by 4 and the width is half. And let's double it, man. Let's double this. 2, 3, 6. Let's see the answer. 6. All of that, you just have double it. No matter what I'm try. 4 divided by 2. AOB is a sector of a circle such that the angle AOB equals 72 degrees and OB is our unit. Area of AOB is this is only class with the angle over 360 by r squared. But since it's a sector, it's a fraction of this. Let me say for this will go 36 angle 2 36 angle and this 2 times, right? And then came so 1 see it there when I break it down too slow, alright? So much nice. This is awesome, guys. Awesome. Hit that like button if you're just joining. Share it with somebody. How many kilograms are in 1 ton? Yo, when we expect students to if it took a speedboat 9 hours to travel a distance of that, what is the average speed, right? So we just divide. So it is 1, 0, 8, 0 divided by 9. 9 to the 4. I thought about that's not what we right? Yeah. And 9 to that goes 2 times 9 to carry the 0, 9 to that 0. Yo, them maths are tricky, you know. Them tricky. 44, so we're going to 45 and then almost here, just 15 to go up to that. 45, come on, let's go. A man started a journey at 9:30 hours and arrived at his destination in the same time zone at 13, so that's army time, so that's 1:30, right? If the average speed was 30 kilometers per hour, then distance is, alright, so I'm going to reason it out from 9:30 to 10:30, that's a 1. 10:30 to 11:30, that's 2 hours. 12:30, so 4 hours. And I'm going to move at average speed at 30, so it's 30 times 4. Every hour, now I'll cover church. Yes, sir. It will be 120. Alright, let's go. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. Hit that like button for Mr. Benny. Item refers to the following diagram. The pie chart above not drawn to scale represent the masses of ingredients in a cake. The total mass is 288 grams. What is the combined mass in grams of fat and sugar? What is the combined mass? Alright. So boom. We need these combined, right? So add this 100 and that 75 to 175, 195, right? So this is 195. So could I easily could I do it the other way? No? Could I use the 195 over 360 times the 288, but then you have to subtract it out. So it's 360 degrees because the circle measures 360 degrees minus 195. So these are going to actually represent in terms of degrees how much the fat and sugar combined. Fat and sugar shouldn't have so much going on. Yes. We're killing ourselves, we're killing ourselves, we're killing ourselves. 195. So that's our 165. Yeah. So this is 165. So I have to do put this over 360. So that fraction of the 360 and the entire divide. Why is this make this so hard? Calculate. 4 by 5. 5 into this one 3. And this 3. 5 into 30 is 7. 7. Is 3. That 11. 192. And then it's 8. 2 2s. 6 plus 2. 24. Break down this now. So 12, 20, this is 12, 28. There are 1, 4, 4. But you can break down further. Calculate. Now the skills. Yeah, work it over there. Oh, I know this guy. 6 can use one. Yeah. So 6 into this goes 2 times. Put another 2. Split by 2. And then we have 2 years. Into that 12. Into that 1. Into that 12. So 11 times 12. See? Now I use a calculator. You know this space kind of limited. Never but it's 132. The pie chart not drawn to scale shows how a student used 12 hours in studying English, math, French, and geography. Okay. So the question is, the amount of time spent studying mathematics is approximately, I could say 12 hours, right? So then we could say English and French, approximately 6 hours, right? Because it can be 5 hours, no, it can be 7 hours. That part is 7 hours, right? But that part is 6, so this will make 1. So that's 7 hours. So we need to split 5 hours into 2. So the M look bigger, so we're gonna go with the 3 hours. Yeah, I want to think about that one there, guys. I know where the answer to that. Let's see, I agree with mine. estimation. For the area to the following scores below 10 dot dot dot. The median of the 8 scores represent above. Oh, the median, so you have to arrange it in ascending order. So 1, 4, 12, then 7, and 8, then 8, then 12, then 10, and reason I do that, guys, I don't want them repeat and I don't realize. Alright, so we put the first 3 as 1, 2, 3. Oh, so it will be 7 plus 8 and divided by 2. The 2 middle number, alright? Just highlight it. This is our answer. 7 and a half. Let's move on to 49. The mode of the following numbers. Oh yeah, I see it. Numbers occur the most, which is 8. Let's see, because 18 occurs 2 times. Of 120 students writing an exam, 100 are expected to pass. The estimated probability of a student failing is, alright, so if 100 expected to pass, 20 expected to fail. So it's 20 out of the total expected to fail. Break it down by 10. That 1, 2, that 6. So it's 1, 6 expected to fail. I don't know. Expect you guys to fail, but I expect you guys to pass. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Probability with the 3 probability is now. When 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, the possible outcomes are head, H represents a head and T represents a tail. What is the probability of obtaining at least 2 heads? Alright, so that are the most important. At least, so it can be more than 2 heads, right? So we are searching the one that with more than 2 heads. So this is one. No, it can be 2 or more, right? So it's a 3. Plus, yeah, it's like 4. So right, I think that's it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a half. Over 8, which is a half. Just 9 more to go, guys. Hit that like button. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. So that was C. In the figure above, A, B, and CD are parallel. Which of the following best describe the relationship between X and Y? Alright, so X is equal to Y, they're alternate angles. Very nice question. Content based. From the diagram above, sin, what a sign there is. So sin would be opposite. We're looking from this direction, right? So it's opposite over hypotenuse. And we know that, that's one thing. You have to work out that part here, right? But we know that 5, 4, and 3. 5 squared minus that would give us 3. So that's 3 over 5, opposite over hypotenuse. That's an awesome question also. 54. ABC, no, A prime, B prime, C prime is the image of ABC under an enlargement of scale factor 2. The area in centimeter units of ABC is, alright, so I'm going to look for what we have first. But we can find the area of that one. Alright. And then we double it. That might think that if it scale factor by 2, it means that this is going to come here. So, and yes. This is going to end up coming out here. So, because it's a double, right? And this will have 1, 2. So, there. So. That's the new image, you know, and you get the scale factor that are double. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 4 units. And this also will be 4 units. And it's a triangle, right? So right angle triangle. So 4 times 4. That will give us 16 and divided by 2. So our answer will be 8. So our answer is C. Don't guess it, guys. Don't guess it. So let me show you the real explanation. Alright, so we're gonna move the honor. This one now. Translation again. In the figure above, the line CD is the image of AB. So CD Alright. In the figure above, AB line here. Rotation now. Rotation of the y-axis here. That is it. Right, looking at it, that picture. Alright, so move on to 56. Guys, we're almost to the end. Hit the like button. Please ensure that you watch the next video coming up, alright? Yes, it's gonna be awesome, awesome. Alright, in the rectangle, triangle above, which of the following, which trigonometric ratio is equal to 4/8? Oh, tan. Alright, it have to be, is it a cos or something? Is it a cos or something? So opposite over hypotenuse. Yeah, from x. So that's same. Opposite hypotenuse. Same that one. Now I'm gonna clear it up. The 7, a rectangle has a rotational symmetry of order of Alright, so this is a rectangle. Alright guys, I didn't understand that question, but I went on Google and it's true. What it means that for example, if I rotate it by 90 degrees, then took me to fall out of place, but if I do it by 180, so it's actually 2 times. I was not taught that in grade 7. Too much things to learn. If the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 4 right angles, then the polygon is a triangle, hexagon, a pentagon, or a quadrilateral. And that would be D. A quadrilateral. Alright, let's move on to 59. Hit that like button, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please ensure that you watch the other 600 videos on my channel. Alright, I'm out. Out. So yeah, what you say. Alright, we'll look for that one here now. So how many triangles congruent to AD would be needed to cover ABCD? Wow. Alright, so congruent, that means them equal. So bam, that would be 1, 2. Try to draw 1, 2, and then draw for the numbers. Triangle. Okay, here. I'll start my character wrong, please. It's a 1, 2. Okay, I have to draw one up and one down. So watch out. Boom. One. Yeah, this will be one. And then one, two. It's the compound of one here. So that will be two. And then I come to again one, two, that will be three. And then this will be four. And then that's that will be. I need to rub it out, man. I need to rub out everything I did. I missed up. You better me do it up and down. So you cover everything, alright? Let's go. Let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together. Sometimes when you reach near the end, you know, you have to take to alright, so boom. It's a 1, 2, right? So 1, 2. Alright, so this is a 1. And the same thing with this now 1, 2, whatever, right? That's it. So this now will be 2. Alright, boom. 1, 2. So this now. I make 3. Should I use a different color, don't it? Yeah, man. Maybe use a color different. So you guys can see what I love the question. Let me at first, because I was saying, what the hell are you talking about? What the hell are you guys talking about? It's very awesome. It's an awesome question. Alright, so we're going 3. So we're going to change the color. Alright, boom. So we go from 1 to again. You know, see the answer? So this now will basically make 4. And 5. So this one makes screw the question here, bad. Absolutely awesome. Awesome. So it will take 6 of them. 5 with that one. Alright, and for the next one now. In the figure above, ABCD is a triangle with AB equal BD. So that's the equilateral, and CD equal. No, hold on. This. Put in the figure first. This up. This up. No, why am I taking this up? No, this is 150. Why am I get that one? You only say that it's only that isosceles. Alright, so this is 50. That's 100. So right, to say that it's 8. What's your reason, guys? What's your reason, man? What's your reason? Our triangles add up to 150, right? So we get to 80 this one. So right here, so that we have on a straight line. This is that we 100. So it means that them two are apart, and then equal. Absolutely awesome. You see, I not even look what, notice me find every angle. I not even MEDZ with them after. Them say angle ABC. So you see that A, B, C. You see that? At the entire angle. Good thing you find it. Absolutely awesome question to end it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please ensure that you subscribe to my channel. Watch out, guys. I got at least 40 more videos coming on CSEC Past Paper. Thank you guys so much. This is Mr. Benny. I'm out. Please ensure that you subscribe. I'm out, no doubt.